Let's talk. I will give you 6 hard facts on why ORADEL is the most profitable investment for any company that needs to set up a manufacturing or logistics operation between Mexico and the rest of North America. Number 1. The profitability of its location. ORADEL is the closest industrial park to the world's busiest land port and commercial border crossing, linking the most important corridor between Mexico and the United States, known as the NAFTA Highway, which connects Highway 57 and Highway 85 and Interstate 35. 21% of all Mexican customs operations and 39% of all U.S.-Mexico trade are concentrated in Nuevo Laredo, generating 13,000 daily trailer crossings with a merchandise value of over $1 million a minute. The railroad has access to the ORADEL Industrial Rail Center, with 26 trains passing through daily, generating 13,000 exports and 26,000 imports per month. In terms of logistics, Nuevo Laredo has more than 500 transportation companies with state-of-the-art technology, and 40% of Mexico's customs brokers operate in Nuevo Laredo. It is the most profitable location for logistics, not only because of the high range of services and fuel savings, but also because new shipment requests are guaranteed after immediate offloading. Due to the high demand of the route, this radically reduces transportation costs compared to other locations, where transports have to deviate from their route without the guarantee of getting a new shipment contract. Number 2. High workforce retention and low turnover. ORADEL has an ecosystem of 1,200 hectares with more than 5,000 homes. For that reason, the workforce is within a 3-kilometer radius. Our customers speak for themselves. Turnover is very low due to the workers' high quality of life. ORADEL has a daycare center, elementary, middle, and high school, and technical university. Number 3. Skilled labor recruitment. The technological university is within ORADEL, with majors based on manufacturing needs for easy recruitment, as well as training programs designed for customers within ORADEL. Number 4. Services within the park. ORADEL has a board of directors, a general manager, and a maintenance team of 30 individuals, ensuring that our infrastructure and services, such as roads, public lighting, an electrical substation, natural gas, potable water, telecommunications, and security are always in top condition. Number 5. Quality of life for plant managers. Located just 20 minutes from Laredo, Texas, executives have the choice of living in Mexico or in the United States, with exclusive residential developments, schools, golf clubs, sports, and entertainment options, in addition to being only 2.5 hours from San Antonio, guaranteeing a wide range of entertainment options and a high quality of life. Number 6. Availability of land and quality of industrial buildings. ORADEL offers inventory and built-to-suit alternatives, as well as industrial land with landlocked surface areas reaching over 100 hectares. To this day, we have buildings of 20 hectares that were built for a single customer, the world's largest plant for leather vehicle seats, as well as leading American, European, and Mexican brands known worldwide. Today, we welcome your country and your company to grow with us.